This video tutorial I will explain copyOfRange method of arrays class which accept character array from index and to index. Here I have defined a class arrays demo. Here I have defined a character array 1. Then I am calling copyOfRange method of arrays class and passing character array 1 and from indexes 0 which is this position, to indexes 3 which is this position, from index is inclusive and to index is exclusive. So this method returns character array and this character array contains these three elements. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.